Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this look for you guys. This is a very simple holiday glam. I think that you have two types of holiday glams, you know. You have the golds and the glitters and the over the top stuff, which is fantastic. I'll be filming that video for you guys soon. So if that's what you're into, look out for that video. But you always get those people who also want to do the glam, but not so boom, you know? So for those people, a red lip is like the show. Or for those people, they just want to, you know, look like they're fresh faced, but you know, they have a little extra something with a bold lip color. I used a red, and the red I used is the Colourpop Iluvsarai. The Colourpop Iluvsarai. But you can also pair this with another bold, like a vampy red or a deeper shade of red or a brighter red. I think you can go either way with it. But if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Happy holidays. I feel so naked if I was like that. Like, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Look at, we've got this little monster over here existing, and he's very annoying. Okay. For primer, I'm taking the Angel Veil primer. So we're just gonna mix these two. And now taking our foundation. Okay. Okay, bitch. There we go. You see that? I'm like in between these two shades. Now we're doing concealer. And I'm just going to take my Milani Conceal and Perfect. One of my faves. It's so creamy. I'm going to set the under eyes with the Veil powder. You guys already know I'm obsessed with this powder. It's one of the best things to ever happen in the makeup world. Like, if you haven't tried it, go into Sephora, get it now. I think I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and just dab. Just a little bit. Tiny, teensy, incy, 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 incy. Just to like get rid of that redness. And then I'm going to take the Airbrush Flawless Finish. And then I jammed all my makeup tools into it. So now it's all like funky and shit. You know, it was one of those days yesterday. I'm taking the Colourpop Brow Boss in the shade Brunette. Now I'm going to take my Believe Beauty. Take our same little concealer and clean up the brows. This is what I've been using for ages, and it just molds perfectly, and it's a very fine little tip so that you don't have to like mess your shit up. And you can be very precise. Now I'm just taking my super precise eyeliner because we're not doing anything else for this look other than the liner. Eyeliner came out way better today than yesterday. Yesterday the eyeliner was messed up. I'm just taking the Benefit Hoola bronzer. He's like that cute little guy, and I'm just taking this little brush. For blush, I'm going to take the Under Construction Colourpop Construct blush. Oh, but this is so powdery, I like gotta keep it away from me. You guys saw that? But I love this shade. It's such a pretty shade. But you gotta go light-handed because, you know, it can be a little intense. It can be a little intense. Now let's curl our lashes, and I'm gonna be putting on some falsies, and I'm using my combo as always, the Volume Stylist. Eyeliner. For the waterline, I'm just taking the Believe Beauty liner in brown because, one, I love this formula, and two, I don't want it to be so harsh as a black. So a brown is like a good alternative to that. And then I just like to do a little blending because I don't want it to be so bare. And bam, thank you, ma'am. Now let's do our lips. I'm taking my Red Apple by Italia lip liner and the Colourpop Iluvsarai collab in Arriva. So this is our more basic holiday glam. Now I know what you guys are thinking, bitch, aren't you forgetting something? The highlight, and you're right, because we're gonna be using this baddie to put on our highlight work, or they do work. So I'm just gonna take Iced right here, and I did learn from first time that use a light hand. And then I'm gonna take Sparks, which has that like yellow undertone. I'm just gonna give our little Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I'm gonna take now the shade Mesmerize, and I'm gonna put Mesmerize where I put the other one. So I think that if you're medium skin tone, out of this palette, the better one is Mesmerized for you. But these are very, very these are very frosted. I'll go ahead and just, you know, do this thing. Get a wet sponge and press it in, because these tend to be very frosted colors, and since they're frosted colors, they're a little too on the silver side for my preference. But once you wet the sponge and tap it in, flawless. Flawless. I love it. If you want to see my whole review, that video is going to be my whole thoughts, ideas, my purchasing progress and all that, then go ahead and check out that video. And that's all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.